This is the transition from functional progression 1 to functional progression 2. The objective is to create same side or ipsilateral hip and shoulder stabilization. The start position is supine, neutral spine, with shoulders and hips flexed to 90 degrees, with slight external rotation of the arms and legs. To initiate the movement, first find and maintain breath and intra-abdominal pressure. Leading with eyes only, start to lower same side arm and leg, roll 90 degrees as one unit until shoulders and hips are stacked. Drive elbow into the ground to elevate trunk onto forearm. The destination is a low oblique sit with support on same side forearm, hip, and lower leg. Adjust as needed to place ear, shoulder, hip, and heel in a straight line.